Hi, this is Nick from Robo-Serve, and today I'm going to show you how to edit the rooms. The merging and splitting of rooms that the machine's already set up. Let's just say that you're unhappy with how the different rooms have been demarcated on the map, and you want to change that. I'm going to show you how to do that today. If you're not sure, if you're watching this for the first time, you're not sure how to do the setup, please go do one of the videos that I've done in the past. You'll see how to set up the ABIR X8. But yeah, for today, we're just going to be looking at the room edit function. Okay, so I've gone into the 2-year app. I'm going to click on the machine there. Remember that from a sequence perspective, we've already set up the forbidden areas. So if you're not sure how to do that, just go to that video. Okay. And before you do anything here, you actually want to save this map in case anything goes wrong and you want to revert back to your original map. So how you do that is you're going to go into settings. So tap settings. You're going to go into room manage. Okay, you can see I've already got 2 maps here. Let me just, when you see it, I'm just going to delete the floor one just to show you what it would obviously look like. So when you go into it, you're just going to see your current map there. You're going to click save the current map. And then you probably also want to give the map a name. So it's called map 1. So you click on the little edit icon in the middle of the screen there, and you click floor 1 if that's what you want to call it, or you can change it to whatever you want to call the map. Click confirm. Okay, so now you've got a backup, so click back now, back again, and then you go into room edit. Okay, so at the bottom of the screen, let's work from left to right. In terms of the merge function, is you're going to merge 2 rooms. So just click or tap merge. At the bottom of the screen, we've got a yellow section and a green section. I'm going to select 1, 2. You can see the tick there, and I'm going to select merge. Okay, you'll see it all becomes one color, so that area is now merged. Let's say I want to split it again. So select split. Okay, you're going to see there's a line that comes up. Now that line needs to be solid in order for the split to happen. Okay, if it's perforated, dotted, whatever you want to call it, it's not going to work. Okay, so let's just say we split it at an angle for whatever reason. It's a bit weird, but yeah. Okay, split, there you go. Now let's just say you want to reset. So click the reset button. You made a mistake. Now this reset doesn't always work as you think it should. So that's why we've got that backup map. So I'm just warning you ahead of time on that one. Okay, there we go. There's the split. So it's gone all the way back to the beginning map. Okay, let's just say that you want to now name rooms. So you want to name, let's just say, the kitchen, so that it's quite easy to sort of remember when you're looking at the map what you're looking at. So this bottom yellow area, let's call that the kitchen. So I've tapped on the yellow area at the bottom, and I've clicked kitchen at the top there. So it's going to call it kitchen. There we go. You can see it's called kitchen. I'm going to click save. Okay, now let's just say that I want to do settings specifically for kitchen. Then I'm going to click custom, and I'm going to select kitchen again, and I'm going to select the fan. So the fan, it's a dirty area, so I want to put the fan on super, so that's good. The adhesion is strong. Then the water level, it's not a wooden floor, it's actually a concrete floor, so I'm going to use the highest water level. In terms of the timer, it's going to clean once again. It is quite a quite a dirty area, so I'm going to tell it to clean it twice. So when it's doing the clean and when it gets to this area, it's going to do the whole area twice and then move on to the next area. Okay, I'm happy, so I click confirm. Okay, click save, and it's customized the kitchen settings. Now I want to set the order in which it's going to clean. So remember that you can schedule the machine to run, let's say, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or every day if you so choose. Um, but you wanted to set it so that it, let's just say, it starts in the kitchen, then moves to the living area, and then moves to the dining room. So I'm going to set the order here. So I've clicked order, and I've selected, let's just say I want to start it with the kitchen. So you can see kitchen is number 1 now. The living area, I'm going to make it number 2, and I'm going to set the dining room area as number 3. Okay, I just wanted to, let's just say, I just wanted to start off with clean those rooms. The other rooms are not really set for the machine to clean. Let's just say that the one is a kiddie's play area, and we know how there's normally sort of Lego blocks and stuff lying around. So for this time, at this current moment, we're comfortable that it just cleans these 3 areas in that sequence, and then we click save. So that's all for today. In the next video, I plan to show you how to schedule your machine so it runs, let's just say, at 8 o'clock on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, thanks very much. Have a good one. Cheers.